Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I got something painted today, black, so I wanted to do some more smoke on it. It's not a tile. It's a piece of plastic. What it is, and you're going to laugh when you hear this, it's one, oops, my camera's way out of line. Sorry about that. What it is, it's one of those signs, you know, the signs that you buy at the store, you know, like at Walmart or at Ace Hardware, that say for sale, and you can put and it's got a white block, and you can put your phone number in there. Well, believe it or not, some of those are good to practice on. So I painted both sides black. I do know from experience, I'm using the paint and primer in one, the flat black. I get that at Walmart too. I know I get too much of my supplies at Walmart, but hey, save money where you can, right? Okay, so anyway, I wanted to do some smoke on this. I didn't tape it down, and hopefully, let me just put something in each corner. Hopefully, it doesn't blow all over the place. I don't know if it will or not. We'll find out. I also got a new tool. This is one of those hot air brushes. It normally has a brush attachment right here, but it's really, let me get the whole cord up here. It's really, really good for control. This is pretty thick plastic, so I shouldn't have a problem with it. Okay, I can tell you, to create smoke, you need alcohol blending solution, and I use the Jacquard Pinata ink Blanco, and the only reason I use this is because, Ranger has a white mixative, I think they call it Snow Cap. Only reason I use this is because I know it's going to work. Oh, shake this up. Okay, this is all I did the other day to create it, so I'm going to see now if I can create some smoke, and then I might, oops, got some on there. This stuff is too expensive to waste. I'm going to try to do what looks like smoke, and if it turns out good, then I'm going to do some red down here. So I'm just doing some lines of the alcohol blending solution. Now, I'm not going to do a whole lot of ink. You want to make sure you shake it up so all your color that might have settled at the bottom is all mixed in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can get it to look like smoke like I did the other day. We will find out together. So you may not be able to hear me too much, but I'm not going to speed it up so you'll be able to see it in real time. See, I can already see that. Well, see, the low doesn't move it around a lot, but I do want it to move around some. Let me try one thing with my finger. I don't know if that's going to work. Okay. You don't want to point it directly at the ink. I'm trying to get the little wispiness on the outside that looks like smoke. I am going to add a little bit more blending solution right here because it's awfully thick, and I don't want the hard lines. I want it to be all wispy. Okay, come on. I don't like those little fingers like that right there either. I may have too much ink on here. I don't know yet. That's very possible that I could have too much ink on here. Okay. See, it's drying out on me rather quickly. I don't think there's a temperature setting on this. I may have to go back to my hair dryer. But I've seen some other ladies that do alcohol ink do this with a tool like this. Okay, let me see. Let me turn that off. Let me see if I can do it with the hair dryer on the cool setting and a little bit higher. Okay. See, it's drying out on me. I don't want that to happen, so not looking too much like smoke to me. I'm trying. I may have put too much alcohol ink in it, but we'll find out here in a little bit as I'm trying to get it to move around. Because it is way too thick right here, and there went the rest of my blending solution. But I got another bottle. I actually got 2 more bottles, because you go through that rather quickly. Okay, let me turn this off for a minute. There it is, looking for the switch. I couldn't remember there's a paper in there. I got to shake this up because I haven't used it yet. I'm trying to thin out the ink, but it doesn't look like it's working that well. Oh, that thinned it out some. I got my hand on the paper right here at the bottom, so it doesn't blow all over the place. And this might be a total fail in the way of smoke. Well, maybe not. I don't know. You can tell me what you think down in the comments, because this is only the second time I've tried this, but I think I put too much ink down to begin with. Trying to get it to dry so I could maybe do some color down here at the bottom. Let me try tilting it to get it to go up. That kind of looks like smoke. Oops, that's the closed one. I wanted to break up some of this dark stuff right here. think of this, I thought maybe I could try blowing it up. And to tell you the truth, it's starting to look a little bit like smoke doing that. So let me try it some more. Let me see if I can blow it in the direction I want to get smoke. Okay, let me get rid of some of this ink. And let me put some red and orange down here and see if I can make it look like fire. Do I have a red? That is, nope, that's a purple. There's an orange. I gotta have a red in here somewhere. Oh, that's a yellow, but I don't know if I want to use a yellow. That's magenta. Well, I may have to go with the orange and the yellow to try to make what hopefully looks like flames. So what I'm going to do is, oops, I didn't shake that yet. I'm going to put some blending solution down here. And I'm going to put just 2 drops. 2 drops. I don't want to put a whole lot. There's 1 drop. And there's another drop. Now, let me see if I can get that to go up into the white and look like flames. Okay, here we go. I don't know if the magenta is going to work to make it look like a red, and I don't have any red handy because it's all in closed up boxes. So let me try. It might look like it. So let me see what the magenta does in here now. I think I need a little bit more blending solution. It's starting to dry out a little bit. It's looking a little bit like fire. I don't know. You tell me in the comments, because I'm not sure if this is a fail yet. So, but with alcohol inks, you can always try it over again and reactivate them a little bit. Okay. I have to put the blending solution on top for some reason because it won't move without it. Okay, now let me put some down here. Now let me put, I'm not turning it off. I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow down here to see if this can become looking like fire. Okay, now I was just trying to get it to come back down some. Well, you guys can tell me in the comments what you think, okay? Because I am not too sure about this. This is pretty cool, so it's not, but it's just drying it out. I don't know if I would consider this smoke up here or not. So, let me turn this off. Let me stop for now. I don't know if you learned anything. Maybe you learned what not to do. All I'm doing is just excuse me, just tapping the edge. I do want to remind you that when you're working with alcohol inks, you got to work in a well-ventilated area. I've got a couple of fans on. I've got a window open. Okay, so I'm going to try to break this up just a little bit right here. So let me try. I know, I can't quit playing with it. Let me just see what this does. Because this is looking more like pink than anything right there. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and I might revisit it on another day. But as you can see, it didn't warp. Okay. I don't see anything on the back that I need to worry about. So I'm going to let this dry, and I will come back with another video. I'm just trying to spread some of this out down here just to give it something other than black. Okay, there we go. So tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what you think I did right, okay? I'm not sure about this. So just tell me what you think, okay? So I want to thank y'all for watching. Sorry I don't do a video every day, but I got caught up in some stuff, so helping my boyfriend with his car and taking him places and taking somebody. I'm like a taxi cab right now, so I'm not home a lot. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the little subscribe button and hit the little bell behind it for notifications of the next time I do a video. I love the fluid arts right out of you. I can't say I love the resin right out of you because this isn't resin, but I will show it to you in tomorrow's video if I don't start working on it again. I'm going to let it dry and just see what I can do with it. So, thank you all for watching. I will give you a close-up while I'm saying bye. Thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you in the next video. So, all I can say for now is bye.